As photonic devices get smaller, they become more and more difficult to handle. New optical assemblies are forcing us to rethink everything, because we are assembling something that could be only 10 micrometers across, the thickness of a human hair. I don't have many of those left. In Saarbrucken, Germany, I went with my personal friend Ruth Houbertz to visit a brilliant company. They solved many precision handling challenges. They take their inspiration from these guys, Geckos. The team at INNOCISE analyzed how these small lizards are so agile. They stick to surfaces when they need to, and unstick when they don't. How do they do it? When you zoom in, you find geckos have finely structured, hairy adhesive organs. They can hold on without electric, magnetic fields, negative pressure, or any kind of glue. It relies on surface effects known as van der Waals interactions. Now comes the really clever part. Using biomimicry technologies in their clean room, plus computer simulations, INNOCISE has developed its own patented artificial surface structures. They adhere reversibly to many materials and objects, which makes these polymers ideal for micro-handling tasks, typically below 1 mm, which would otherwise be impossible. And the grip is remarkably strong. I am sure that INNOCISE has everything ready to revolutionize micro pick and place. That's great news for precision optics assembly. Now, as an Optica member, our goal is to introduce them to the micro-optics revolution, as micro-optics and nano-optics elements should be placed with ultra precision using a 100% damage-free process, and for that, there is INNOCISE.